Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This week, hopefully I finish in today, but I'm making an outfit, not really making the whole outfit, but I am making a piece that's gonna complement the whole outfit. So it's basically a corset. I thought I had a pattern, but I misplaced the pattern. I didn't even put it in the safe place, so I wouldn't say misplaced it. So when I checked where I thought I had put it, I only found 2 pieces and they went through a lot, like they went through the mood. And guess what? I found only the center front and the center back. Mind you, this pattern has 6 pieces in total, like 3 for the front and then 3 for the back. Obviously they're gonna, like, when it's 3, it's 3 and 3, then 3 and 3. So I only have 2 pieces out of 6 pieces. What does that mean? It means I have to go back to the drawing board. Okay, I wanted to adjust the pattern because I felt like it had a lot of bust space. It was opening a lot of, like, it had a lot of bust space, so it was not really holding me the way I wanted it to hold me. Like, I wanted it to, and then give me that extra. But I guess now we have to draw it from scratch. I don't even have where I sketched, or like, I need to be a better record keeper and pattern keeper. And I'm telling you now, even the patterns that I made recently, I don't know where they are. I made a dress for my sister recently. I don't know where the pattern of that dress is. I cannot say I put it. So it's fine. It's fine. Until I learn how to put my things in a way that I'm gonna find them next time, I'll have to suffer like this. So let me go back to the drawing board and I'll see you guys in just a minute or an hour or like a day, maybe a week, but it can't be a week because I need this thing done in less than a week. So I have found this piece in somewhere in my many storages for fabrics. So it's basically, it was the lining of the corset that I had made. It's just that it was bigger than the actual corset and it was just a lot of admin and I was not ready for that. So I was able to figure out for it, I could just use, like, I don't need like an inside, like a lining. So I ended up ditching it. So I'm gonna use this to get the pattern. I'm just gonna cut it out. I'm not gonna undo the stitches because it was actually big. So hopefully that works. We'll just see if it works. I'm cheating the system. I don't have the energy and the whatever is required to redraw the pattern and actually fit it. I don't. So I'm cheating the system. Hopefully it's not gonna backfire. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna be using this material for the corset. It's one of the materials that are leftovers. So I'm basically clearing leftover materials that I have. So I just finished putting everything together and putting the boning for the corset. But I have a situation. It fits perfectly, and because of that, I don't feel snatched enough. I feel like I still have space to breathe, of which I don't want space to breathe. So I think I'm gonna compromise a piece, this small piece here. I'm just gonna compromise it, take it out, and then so I can snatch myself more.